With just a touch, your unique fingerprint grants you access. Lifting the handle up will lock it automatically. Or if you prefer, enter your secret passcode. Your personalized combination unlocks the door. For an effortless entry, simply swipe your RFID card. Access granted in an instant. And for the traditionalists, the trusty key still holds its place. You can use the remote unlock feature by pressing 3 hash buttons. This will generate a remote unlock request and you will get a notification on your mobile phone. You can either reject or accept the request from anywhere in the world. You can add any random digits before or after